subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new affordable Y series phone in China called Vivo Y36i. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y36i features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 840 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y36i sports a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified anti-stroboscopic sensor. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Origin OS 3 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.74 by 75.43 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y36i has been priced in China at 1,199 Chinese yuan. And it is available for purchase in the country in Deep Space Black, Fantasy Purple, and Galaxy Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y36i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.